Come in a tabletop position and inhale into a cow pose. Exhale to the cat. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round it up. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, arch. Exhaling, round. Breathe in and breathe out. Feeling the movement of the spine in the cat and cow pose. Breathing in to bring all the vertebrae together. Breathing out to move them apart. Come on all fours and extend your right arm and left leg in the air and move them up and down. Do this for 5 times. And now repeat the same thing on the other side. So left arm and right leg in the air 5 times up and down. Make sure that the breathing is normal and smooth. And after 5 times, put your palm on the floor and again extend your right arm and left leg and lift them in the air. And now from here, inhaling, extension, exhaling, crunch and bring the elbow and knee together. Inhale, extend, exhale, crunch. Trying to maintain the balance, doing it for 4 to 5 times. It really helps you to release the body. And the same thing on the opposite side. So extend your left arm and your right leg in the air. Inhaling, extend, exhaling, crunch. Inhale, extend, exhale, crunch. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling, exhaling. And last one. Put your palm and knee back on the floor. Now inhaling, extend your right leg in the air. Exhaling, put your foot to your left. Inhaling, extend. Exhaling, bring the knee to the right elbow. Inhaling, extend. Exhale, put your foot to the left. Inhaling, lift up. Exhaling, bring the knee to the left elbow. Inhaling, extend. Exhaling to you. Inhaling up. Exhaling, right elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhaling to your left. Inhale, extend. Exhaling, left elbow. Inhaling, up. Exhaling to your left. Breathe. And same thing on the opposite side. So inhaling, lift your left leg in the air. Exhaling, put the foot on your right. Inhaling, extend again. Exhaling, bring the knee to the left elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhaling to your right. Inhaling up. Exhaling, right elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhaling, down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, left elbow. Inhale. Exhaling to your right. Inhaling up. Exhaling, right elbow. One more time. And breathe. Extend your palms a little forward and come into an upward dog. Make sure that the shoulders are broad and wide and the palms are pushing the floor away from the body. And breathe into your heart. Now you can tuck your toes in and lift yourself up if that is accessible. If not, continue to remain in the same position. You can put your knees down and come on all fours. And tuck your toes in, lift your hips up. We'll go into a downward facing dog. Make sure to extend your armpit. If it's possible, keep the heels on the floor. If not, let them be wherever they are. Stay here. Breathe in this downward dog. Keep looking at your knees or your navel. And breathe into the back. Now start bending your knees one by one. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Keep the rest of the body stable. Now keep your knees on the floor. Now from here, come into a high plank position. Make sure that the fingers are spread nicely and you lift yourself up. The core is tucked in. The thighs are strong and lifting away from the floor. Don't lift your hips up. Keep your shoulders strong and continue to breathe. And slowly come down. Now we'll do a small sequence of the 4 poses that we learned. Inhaling, you lift into an upward dog. Exhaling, go back to downward facing dog. Inhaling, come forward, high plank. Exhaling, gently fall on floor. Inhale, arch. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhaling, down. Make sure you're flowing nicely into these poses. We'll do this 4 to 5 times. Make sure your breath is following the poses. Inhale, exhale, inhale forward, exhaling down. Now bring your heels to the hips, hold your ankles and slowly lift all the way up on your abdomen into Dhanurasana or the bow pose. And make sure when you come down, you are laying down your knee and shoulders together. Catch your breath here. And one more time, heel to the hips, hold your ankles and inhaling, lift all the way up. Now try to let go of the right side and lift the left side even higher. Now bring back the right side, lift into Dhanurasana and let go of the left side, lift the right side higher. Again back to Dhanurasana, lift all the way up and slowly come back. Catch your breath, let your heartbeat become normal. Extend the arms in front of you on the floor and feel the length of the body. Now with exhalation, lift all the way up on your abdomen. And inhaling, come down. Breathe. Lift up again with exhalation. Inhaling, spread your arms and legs out in an X. Exhale, come back. Inhaling, spread. Exhale and inhale. Exhale, keep lifting up. Inhale. Exhale, lift your chest and inhale. And slowly come back. Breathe. Relax yourself and breathe. From here, interlace your fingers behind your back. Let your shoulders relax and lift up on your tummy. Lift as much as you can and slowly down. inhaling, lift all the way up again. Exhaling, down. Try to lift your arms if they'll go. Otherwise, let them relax. Inhale and exhale. Let your arms relax and come on the floor. Breathe. Now we are almost done. Coming to the last pose, keep your chin on the floor and palms facing down. Take a nice inhale. Exhaling, lift your right leg up. Inhaling down. Exhaling, lift your left leg up. Inhaling down. Keep your back strong and shoulders relaxed. Now exhaling, try to lift both the legs up. The chin is down. You can also tuck your fist below your thighs and try to lift the legs up. And down. And relax and breathe. Come on all fours. Breathe. You did amazingly well today. Now come in this pose and express gratitude towards your body, towards this practice. Set your intention for the day. I hope you have a wonderful day. You feel fresh and energetic throughout the day. Make sure you keep practicing. Namaste. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.